3D printed phone holder for car. The link for download the files is in the description. 3D model. 3D print setting. Yellow parts, black parts. TPU parts. All parts what you need for assembling. Solder all of the threaded inserts in the 3D printed parts. You have to do this solders on the other side also. Screw the TPU phone fixtures on the walls. Heat up the screws and the nuts, then put the cap on them. Put the threaded shaft in the rear view mirror adapter. Then put the PLA and the TPU cap on the shaft. Screw together the two holding arms. Don't forget to use the TPU sealing and washer. Screw together the holding arm and the rear view mirror adapter. Don't forget to use the TPU sealing and washer. Screw the two wall on the phone holder main body. It can hold your phone strongly. Put the rotation adapter into the phone holder main body. Then fix it with a screw. Don't forget to use the TPU sealing and washer. Screw together the phone holder and the holding arm. Don't forget to use the TPU sealing and washer. Pull all of the screws and nuts strongly. It works great. The link for download the files is in the description.